Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a totally different kind of video. I am doing a tag that's been going around where I try and replicate a look that some other beauty guru has done. So I have chosen to do RawBeautyKristi's look that she used the editorial Sephora palette. She is absolutely fucking hilarious. I love this girl. So go check out her videos. Finish watching this one first. But anyways, so it's going to be interesting being the person today that is like you trying to replicate my looks. I'm going to try and replicate hers. So let's see how this goes. She does a very advanced look, so I'm pretty nervous, but here we go. Let's get into it. This is totally unrelated, but quickly before we get into this tutorial, I have to tell you, if you go check out RawBeautyKristi's page, go watch her makeup look that she does for Halloween on Guy Fieri. I think that's what his name is. It's the dinners, dives, and drive-in guy. It is the fucking funniest video I've ever seen in my life. I've watched it like 50 times, and every time I watch it, I seriously laugh so hard. So go check that one out. Okay, so the name of RawBeautyKristi's video is called Best Palette Ever, No Bullshit, Honest Review, Sephora Pro Editorial Palette. So that's the video I'm going to be doing. I just have started right now, and she primes her eyelids and does her eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back.
Because this palette is so colorful, I want to make sure that I'm doing something really cool with it for my first look. So I thought I would be inspired today, and I thought I would do a look like this. This just caught my eye. I thought it was so beautiful. Probably won't look exactly like this, but
Oh my god. Okay, so far, well, that was a fuck around. Don't think I used the best brush.
And so there's a purple that goes all into the inner corners here, so I'm going to go in and start with my purple shade, and that's going to be this one here. I kind of start right here. Pretty, I'm not going to say unwearable, but it depends on who you are. I'm going to go in with this little Coastal Scents brush, the one that I used to swatch earlier. I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to build it up a little deeper further down. So I think I'm going to go straight in with this.
Holy fuck, now I know how you guys feel. Like, holy shit, this is not good. Oh my god. Okay, well. Jeez, now we're going for the black. Oh my god.
Black shade here on the bottom. I'll do my best. If there was another matte, deeper shade, like one darker purple, I would go in with that, but there isn't. So I'm just gonna go in lightly with this black. Go completely black. I'm gonna use that sort of shimmery purple. I'm gonna place this all over my mobile lid. And where it doesn't meet there, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to just kind of mash that out. I meant to say blend, but mash will work. So now both eyes.
Okay. I think she's...
Eyelids are sufficiently incredibly dark. I'm going to go in with this shade here and pat it over the top of that. Although it totally looks black. Don't worry about the inner corners and all that stuff. We'll clean it all up in a minute. Now I'm going to go back in with that purple and black shade mixed.
Okay, she is really fucking me up here. She's going in with blues now.
So I look as dark. I'm going to go in with a mixture of these two shades.
I just fucking made it worse. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Kristi. I'm trying my hardest.
I'm going to go with this one here, Moonstone. It does brighten it up. This look will come together in a minute, I promise, once we add all the dots and detailing and lashes. So don't give up on me yet.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I wanted a little more brightness on there. This is a little dark for me, so I'm throwing a little bit of that blue duochrome in the center, kind of going up onto this blue. It'll be a bit different from the original image, but I'm going to go with some of these duochrome shades just to see where this is headed. I'm going to go with this one here, Moonstone. And I'll be right back. So now I'm going to work on the lower lash line, and for that I'm going to take that same purple color that I used before, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line on the inner and outer portions. I'm going to leave the center clear. Because this eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, like it really does have a lot of fallout, I'm packing powder underneath my eyes.
I should have done the purple that she was talking about first before I did this. I don't know.
I look like I got punched in both eyes.
Okay, so that she looks like she got punched in both eyes, so that means I'm doing the look properly, apparently. Oh my goodness. This is getting crazy.
So whatever falls out will fall into this powder, and then I can just whisk it away. I look like I got punched in both eyes. I'm going to take that turquoisey teal color, and I'm going to run that right in the center on my little Smith brush here, and I'm going to run that right on my lash line. I want to spray my brush with a little Fix Plus, and I'm going to dip into that vibrant blue shimmer shade. Put that right in the center again. And dip into a little bit of that duochrome and just kind of pat it over to lighten it up. Ooh, I like that so much better.
I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know what the hell she's talking about.
Yeah, I got these a few months back and I've yet to use them in a video. These are the new Makeup Forever Aqua XL liners, and I'm going to go in with these shades. So I'm going to first start with the turquoise shade, and I'm going to dot that on the inner corner.
Silver one, and I'm going to try and fix this fuck up. Try and copy the dots. I don't fucking know anymore.
I'm going to use this dark blue instead. There is not a dark purple in these, and I really just want to use these. So there are some large splatters kind of dotting down from the eye.
I'm going to use my rose gold one. Whew.
Right on top.
I'm going to skip the gem because I don't think they're going to help any.
Get a shot, and I'm going to use probably the pinky mixed with the blue and green. And
so bad,
all four of them. Gosh, when you mix all of...
And I don't know why it showed up so good for her. Okay, so I have a Jeffree Star purple lipstick, and I'm going to put...
You guys have seen this color, but it literally fits perfectly.
Cover FX glitter drops.
Okay, so I switched to a more neutral lip for the end of this video so I don't have to fuss with it constantly.
That bitch tricked me. She took off the crazy lip and has a neutral lip at the end. Nicely done, Kristi. Nicely done. So, that's the look. I'm off to work now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If Kristi does see this, I love you, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I will have a better makeup look going on. So, thank you so much for watching. Love you.